What if ChatGPT could remember your last conversation and make every chat feel like catching up with an old friend? OpenAI just dropped a game-changing memory update for ChatGPT today, and it's about to make your AI chats smarter than ever. Stick around to see how it works and why you'll want it ASAP. Hey Tech fam, welcome back to GadInsider. OpenAI is making waves again. They just announced a huge memory feature for ChatGPT that lets it tap into your past chats to give you super personalized answers. It's rolling out to paid users first, and trust me, this is next level. Let's dive into what's new. So, what's this memory magic? OpenAI's new feature called Reference Saved Memories lets ChatGPT pull from your previous conversations to make every reply more you. Say you told it last week you're into sci-fi books. Next time you ask for a story, it might whip up a space epic without you repeating yourself. This works across text, voice mode, and even image generation. Imagine asking for a sketch and it nails your vibe because it knows you love neon colors. It's like giving ChatGPT a long-term memory, and it's all tucked into the settings for easy access. OpenAI dropped this bombshell on April 10th, and it's hitting ChatGPT Pro and Plus accounts first. Sorry, free tier, you'll have to wait a bit. Why is everyone freaking out? This update makes chats feel alive. No more starting from scratch every time. Sources quoted OpenAI saying they're focused on paid tiers for now, but they are planning a global rollout soon. For now, it's skipping the UK, EU, and a few other spots like Iceland and Norway due to strict local rules. Gotta love those privacy laws. Here's the cool part, you're in control. You can toggle memory off in settings, delete specific chats you don't want saved, or keep it on by default if you're already a fan. Posts on X are saying ChatGPT has a brain, and honestly, it's a huge step towards AI that gets you, whether you're brainstorming, joking, or creating art. Alright, let's have some fun. Picture ChatGPT remembering your last chat. What do you want it to know about you? That you're a pizza fanatic? A coding wizard? Drop your wildest ideas for how you'd use this memory feature in the comments.